Yep.
But you could beat up Grandpa Belly? Huh? You can beat up Grandpa Belly, but Grandpa can't play with this one. That is my belly. That is my belly. Look, Grandpa Belly. Beat it up. Oh, you seen the cut?
You want to see a cut?
This is your belly now. This is my belly.
And Grandpa didn't shave today. Oh, God.
Okay.
He's like, why is it you? No.
Grandpa didn't shave today.
Here, little Michaels, come on, beat up my belly. Loyal, what did I tell
No,
you
it
about
dropped
that?
from him, Pooksy.
It fell?
Yeah, it fell
Did
from
it
him.
fall from your hand? Okay.
Baby, rinse it off for that, please. Hey.